Hey Jackal, do you too have too many tabs opened and no way to organize them? I'll show you how I've done it. Now let's get digital. Now, as you know, we have a lot of different browsers and each one is a bit special on how it does things and how it looks. A lot of people use Google Chrome and you have options to organize the tabs. Simply type in Chrome tab workspace and you'll be able to download one of the two popular add-ons. So you can simply install this one or this one. Now I don't need to organize the tabs in Google Chrome because I don't do a lot with it, mainly my YouTube stuff, but I am using Vivaldi as my main one. And as you can see, if you add a lot of tabs, usually I had something like this. This is a lot of tabs and you can get lost quite easily when you don't know which one is which. Now in Vivaldi, they've added something, I don't know what the feature is called, but I'll just call it tab stacking. You can take one tab, I'll just take this one. Now I could open it in a new window, or maybe put it somewhere else. So you can now move it around as you can see. But what is the highlight? Well, if I release the tab when I'm hovering over another tab, this will stack them. It now says 2, as you can see. And it also has 2 tabs inside. Now I could add other tabs to this page, and I can also make new pages within this tab stack. So I could make multiple stacks like this. And this is a good way to start organizing tabs. Let me just close a few. Or maybe not, let me just take a look what the performance is of Vivaldi. Not a lot currently, maybe because all of these are blank tabs. So let me just open a bunch of YouTubes and see how this stacks up. So currently with 38 tabs opened, I'm at 3 GB of memory used. I'll now simply close them. I'm closing them with the middle mouse button. Let's see the usage now of 16 tabs. But where do I have 16 tabs? I only have 4. Well, at the top left you can see workspaces. I have 6 workspaces and the top one is kind of the daily one. So let me quickly add a new one. You can give it a name. You can also change the icon, or you can also use an emoji, as you can see. So let me call this random search. I have a new one, and as you can see, the one at the top stays like a default. You can't really change it. I'll go to DaVinci Resolve. Now in the DaVinci Resolve workspace, I make new tabs whenever I'm searching something related to DaVinci Resolve or the content that I'm making. Now I have a bunch of other workspaces. I have my emails, separate from everything else, drawing, which I'm not doing anything with at the moment, just the Krita, which I've replaced with Photoshop, the Sellings tab, which is my Threadless account, and you can buy one of these designs for a t-shirt that you want. The link will be down below if you want to support me. I have the Unity, which I'm making some games, and then I also have the Blender workspace, but I haven't done anything in quite a while. But now that you have the workspaces done and you have a bunch of tabs opened, you could then also simply stack the pages. So something like that, and maybe even like that. This gets rid of the clutter and you also have everything where it was with a push of a button. Now let's just see how accurate this number is. It says 34. I don't really count 34 tabs here. At most it's 20 something. So this is 1, 2, plus 8 is 10. Then we have 10 here and plus 2, 22. So this is not an accurate value. And the same with Google Chrome, I don't have 23 tabs opened. At most I have 1 on the left, which you don't see. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 at most. So no idea where both Google and Vivaldi got 12 extra tabs. Now if you want to increase your productivity, organizing the tabs is one way. Also, if you edit in DaVinci Resolve, make sure that you also upgrade to a version that is working for you. The latest one at this point is 18.6.2. Please let me know in the comments down below which tools you use to be more productive. And also, if you're a developer, do let me know if you use something like Taiga, Trello or any other management tool that is good for a solo developer. And if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. I'm Simon, until next time, Jackal, keep it digital.